In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira timeline feature efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to navigate and make the most out of this fantastic tool to improve your project management skills. Let's dive right in and explore this powerful feature step by step, ensuring you become proficient in just a few easy to follow steps. To get started, head over to the Jira website and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the main dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing all your active projects and tasks. From the dashboard, you'll want to click on Your Work located in the navigation bar at the top of the page. This area is where you can manage and monitor all the work assigned to you, as well as any projects you're involved in. Now that you're in Your Work, the next step is to click on Projects. This will take you to the section of the Jira platform where all the projects you have access to are listed. It's a comprehensive overview that helps you keep track of everything that's happening within your organization. If you're managing multiple projects, this section will be especially useful to ensure you're staying on top of deadlines and deliverables. Once you're in the Projects section, locate the option that's titled View All Projects. This allows you to see a complete list of projects that you have permissions to access. It might be overwhelming if you're handling a large number of projects, but don't worry. You can easily sort and manage them by various parameters to find exactly what you need. After you've found the project you want to focus on, go ahead and select it by clicking on its name. This will open up the project's main page where you can delve into more specific details related to that particular endeavor. Now that you've selected your project, it's time to click on the timeline option. The timeline feature in Jira is exceptionally valuable for visualizing the project's progression and organizing tasks over a specific period. Clicking on Timeline will open a detailed view of all your current tasks, arranged chronologically, making it easier to manage your workload and deadlines. With your timeline view open, the next thing you'll want to do is create an epic. In Jira, an epic represents a substantial piece of work that can be broken down into smaller tasks or stories. Think of it as a big picture item that needs to be accomplished through various steps. To create an epic, find and click the Create Epic button on the timeline interface. Usually this button is prominently displayed to guide users in adding new entries seamlessly. After clicking Create Epic, you'll be prompted to type in a name for your new epic. Enter a concise and descriptive name that sums up the work you're planning to accomplish. Once you have typed in the name, simply press Enter to save your new epic. And just like that, your epic is now part of your project's timeline, ready to be filled with relevant tasks and milestones. As you continue planning your project, you'll need to set start and end dates for your epic. Visualizing these dates on the timeline is straightforward and highly interactive. Move your mouse pointer over the empty cells within the timeline view. These cells correspond to dates and durations. By clicking and dragging across the cells, you can select the specific dates you want your epic to begin and end. Setting these timelines helps ensure that everyone involved is aligned on the intended schedule and project milestones. Congratulations, you've now successfully created an epic in Jira and set its time frame within the timeline feature. This newly created epic will now serve as a guiding structure for breaking down tasks and tracking progress throughout your project. Remember, the timeline view is designed to help you see the bigger picture while allowing you to zoom into smaller tasks, ensuring every aspect of the project is covered. In summary, the Jira timeline feature is an incredibly useful tool for managing complex projects and can greatly enhance how you organize your team's workload. By following these steps, navigating to your work, accessing your project, viewing all projects, selecting a specific project, utilizing the timeline, creating an epic, naming it and selecting date ranges, you can easily organize and oversee your projects with more clarity and efficiency. We hope this tutorial has aided in demystifying how to use Jira's timeline feature. By incorporating these steps into your daily workflow, you'll undoubtedly become more adept in project management using Jira. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember to keep your projects on track and your timelines clear. Happy project managing!